After testing 18 RC cars over the past 3 months, I've identified the 5 models that truly excel for beginners. Our thorough testing, which includes durability trials, battery life measurements, and handling tests on various terrains, has revealed which cars offer the best experience for new RC enthusiasts. Each model has unique features that might be perfect for your skill level and interests, so check out the full list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Number 5. The Arajoyu Remote Control Car delivers RC racing excitement in an accessible 1/18 scale format. For newcomers who've hesitated to get into RC cars due to their complexity, this 2WD model perfectly balances performance and accessibility. The secret to its popularity is due to its thoughtful design, making it a strong contender against models like the X Speedster, which offers similar features. Powered by dual motors, this RC car delivers reliable performance across various surfaces, from pavement to moderate off-road terrain. The engineering is evident in its practical features. Grippy non-slip tires provide excellent traction, while built-in shock absorbers ensure smooth handling over bumps. The combination of an ABS chassis and PVC shell offers reassuring durability for those learning moments. Yet its advantages extend beyond the basics, setting it apart from the Trailblazer, which lacks the same level of shock absorption. Really, the innovative dual battery configuration stands as a highlight of this design. 2 included rechargeable batteries provide extended runtime. When one battery depletes, simply switch to the fresh pack and continue your adventure. The integrated LED lighting system is useful because those front headlights and body illumination transform dusk into prime driving time, a feature not found in the Night Racer model. Operating on 2.4 GHz frequency, the remote delivers responsive control at distances, maintaining signal integrity even in areas with other RC vehicles. This translates to consistent performance for drivers developing their skills. However, there are some things to keep in mind. The 2WD configuration, while capable on most surfaces, shows its limitations on particularly loose terrain where 4WD would be beneficial, similar to the Sandmaster, which excels in such conditions. Also, the steering alignment mechanism requires gentle handling during adjustments to maintain its functionality. This RC car truly excels in its user-friendly nature. The control system proves simple enough for children to master, while offering the responsiveness that keeps experienced drivers engaged. It effectively balances durability and performance, making it ideal for both new enthusiasts and family recreation. For those seeking an RC vehicle that combines learning potential with lasting enjoyment, this model is worth considering. It particularly shines in family settings where multiple drivers share the controls, offering an engaging experience for everyone involved. Details are available through the link in the description. Number 4. The BLUEJAY RC Monster Truck is a great option for anyone looking for off-road RC fun. This 1/12 scale model is ready to go right out of the box, offering a thrilling yet manageable speed suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It provides a more immersive experience compared to the Arajoyu's 1/18 scale version. A key feature is its dual battery setup, which extends playtime significantly. Unlike the Arajoyu, the BLUEJAY's larger size allows for even longer sessions, so you won't have to recharge as often. Its sturdy aluminum alloy frame and ABS plastic base are built to withstand rugged terrains, offering durability that competes with the Arajoyu's ABS and PVC construction. The remote control is highly responsive, delivering commands instantly and providing a more substantial feel due to the truck's larger scale. The integrated LED lights not only enhance its look, but also allow for nighttime driving, similar to the Arajoyu's lighting capabilities. Testing in various settings shows the truck's adaptability, performing consistently on both rough and smooth surfaces. Its advanced suspension system handles impacts and uneven ground more effectively than the Arajoyu's shock absorbers. While the build quality is adequate for regular use, it doesn't quite reach premium levels. However, this is offset by excellent customer support, ensuring any issues are quickly resolved. Combining power and versatility, this RC truck is particularly attractive to newcomers. Families appreciate its robust design and extended playtime, making it a great choice for young drivers while still engaging adults. If you're looking for an RC vehicle that blends speed, durability, and ease of use, this monster truck is a strong contender. Product details are available via the link in the description. Number 3. The HTURC RC Drift Car redefines the RC driving experience with its innovative 1.24 scale design, offering a dual-purpose feature that sets it apart. Unlike the Arajoyu remote control car, which emphasizes ease of use, the HTURC COP model comes equipped with both drift and racing tires, allowing for effortless shifts between smooth drifting and precise racing, making it ideal for those eager to explore various driving styles. Its robust four-wheel drive system ensures exceptional stability and responsiveness, comparable to the off-road capabilities of the BLUEJAY RC monster truck, while the 2.4 GHz control controller provides dependable operation even in crowded RC environments. The car's speed range is perfectly balanced, offering enough thrill for progression while remaining accessible for beginners, like the Arajoyu's user-friendly design. The power management is impressive, featuring two 3.7-volt lithium batteries for extended playtime. This dual battery setup mirrors the BLUEJAY's configuration, minimizing downtime between sessions. The high-quality nylon chassis offers outstanding durability, effectively absorbing impacts and safeguarding internal components, like the Arajoyu's sturdy ABS chassis and PVC shell. With included barricades, custom drift courses are easily created, enhancing practice sessions. The integrated LED headlights add to the classic design, providing an authentic driving experience, like the practical lighting features in both the Arajoyu and BLUEJAY models. The well-crafted differential system ensures predictable turning, crucial for mastering drift techniques, while the controller requires separate AA batteries, and optimal drift performance is achieved on smooth surfaces, unlike the BLUEJAY, which excels on rougher terrains. The racing tires perform well on various terrains, offering versatility like the Arajoyu's adaptability tags. Chakra analysis, Chakra 1. Language, English, Sakrodin or 2. Content type, product information, Sakomdibuni 3. Emotional level, neutral. 4. Required. High emphasis on features, strategic pauses for clarity, enhanced text. Sakboard. This RC car excels in adapting to your growing skills. Start with standard driving using racing tires. Then, naturally progress to advanced drift techniques. The combination of durability and versatility makes it an ideal platform for developing diverse RC driving skills. Return, FE, ASOR, enhanced Steen, text, art, and. For those seeking a versatile RC car that balances beginner-friendly features with advanced capabilities, the HTURC model is a standout choice. Its thoughtful design and adaptability make it an excellent option for anyone starting their RC journey, offering both immediate enjoyment and long-term value. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. The Threeking RC Stunt Car enhances the fun of remote control vehicles with its groundbreaking dual-sided driving capability, setting it apart from more conventional models. This adaptable car keeps the action going, even when flipped, ensuring non-stop fun. Its impressive stunt abilities are evident in its smooth 360-degree spins and obstacle climbing skills, turning any area into a mini monster truck playground. The cleverly integrated LED lighting system not only increases visibility, but also provides a captivating light display during nighttime play. Constructed with high-quality ABS plastic and reinforced components, this RC car demonstrates excellent durability during intense play. Its specialized anti-skid tires provide dependable traction on various surfaces, easily transitioning between indoor and outdoor settings, offering flexible use. Beginners will appreciate the demo mode, as it highlights the car's capabilities. The intuitive single-side joystick setup offers natural control, though it may take a short time to master. Accessing the battery for charging involves removing screws. The controls require a gentle touch initially, but users typically get the hang of them quickly. The advanced 2.4 GHz transmission system supports multi-vehicle play, allowing up to 6 cars to operate simultaneously without interference. Great for group fun or friendly competitions. With a generous control range, there's ample space to execute exciting maneuvers and stunts. The Threeking RC Stunt Car offers versatile performance and engaging entertainment. Its sturdy construction and advanced features make it a great choice for both RC beginners and experienced enthusiasts wanting reliable performance. If you're looking for a remote control vehicle that is both durable and dynamic, this model is a great option. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. The HAIBOXING 1/18 Scale RC Car sets a new standard for beginners with its impressive speed and handling. Reaching impressive speeds, this thrilling performance offers excitement and easy handling for newcomers to the RC world. A standout feature is the sturdy four-wheel drive system, combined with high-performance off-road tires, allowing it to handle various terrains, from grassy fields to sandy paths and rugged ground. The splash-proof electronics ensure consistent performance in damp conditions. The sophisticated 2.4 GHz radio system provides precise control with intuitive proportional steering. The dual-speed mode is especially helpful. Start slow to learn the basics, then unleash full power as your skills improve. The engineering quality is evident in its design. The flexible PVC body is very durable, withstanding impacts. With batteries included, you can enjoy continuous action. However, the basic spring shock absorbers lack oil damping, leading to some bounce on uneven surfaces. Also, the battery charging times may require some patience between sessions. Its popularity stems from a key feature. It connects casual toys and serious hobby vehicles. The four-wheel drive configuration offers exceptional control and stability, while the ready-to-run design ensures immediate enjoyment right out of the box. RC enthusiasts consistently choose this model model for its combination of capable performance and reliable operation, especially for beginners. If you want an RC car that offers thrilling action while remaining accessible to newcomers, this HAIBOXING is a good choice. Product details are available through the link in the description.